Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix Apple Watch stuck on Apple logo even after hard reset. Fix 1. Restart your Apple Watch. Press and hold down both the side button and digital crown simultaneously for about 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo. Release both buttons when the Apple logo appears. Wait a few seconds for the watch to reboot. Fix 2. Toggle off the screen curtain and VoiceOver mode. Screen curtain. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Go to Accessibility. Locate the screen curtain option. Toggle off the switch next to screen curtain to disable it. VoiceOver mode. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Navigate to Accessibility. Find the VoiceOver option. Double tap the VoiceOver button to turn it off. Fix 3. Unpair and pair again on your Apple Watch and iPhone. On your Apple Watch, go to Settings, General, Reset. Erase all content and settings. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, go to the My Watch tab, select your watch, tap the eye icon, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. Follow the on-screen instructions to unpair the watch. To pair again, follow the setup process on your iPhone and Apple Watch, ensuring they are close to each other during the pairing process. Fix 4. Update Apple Watch OS. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap on the My Watch tab, select General Software Update. Download the update and follow the on-screen instructions. Leave your Apple Watch on its charger during the update process. Fix 5. Check for hardware issues. If the above methods don't work, there may be underlying hardware problems. Inspect the physical condition of the watch for any visible damage or signs of wear. Check if the watch is charging properly and the charger is working correctly. Test the functionality of buttons, the digital crown, and the touch screen. If you suspect hardware issues, consider contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for further assistance and diagnostics. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. 4.